you deserve. We're a beautiful pair, hand in hand, our bond is gonna stay unbreakable.
Hi, Tshepiso.
Hi.
What a walk you gave us.
Thank you.
Now let your brain shine.
Oh my gosh.
What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. All right. First of all, I think to me, from my own perspective, Botswana diamond means wealth. It also gives me a sense of belonging because today I'm recognized as a diamond child. And not only that, it is through the diamonds that I'm educated today and standing in front of you thinking that I would be able to represent the country. So apart from that, it is through the diamond that we are able to get access to other activities like, or amenities like road, infrastructures, water, clean water, just to be specific. Thank you.
That you mine, let's have fun. I made a promise, I vowed. Now you're all I can think about. As long as I'm around, you don't have to worry. So let's do it now. How about candlelight every night? How about some soft music? How about a little dance? I'm your man, are you my woman? Let me hold you close.